Everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight, can I really call it a recipe what I'm making for you, with you? I'm not sure, but I'm making herbal tea. And my idea of putting this tea together stems back from when I was a little girl. My mother would make our own cough syrup. She would also make tea when our tummies had trouble, all different teas for different things. So right now that we're going through COVID, I came up with my own idea of things that we love and could definitely be beneficial. If you come closer, I will show you the ingredients we're going to have. 8 cups of water. I'm going to add 2 cinnamon sticks, 2-inch pod of turmeric root, fresh turmeric root, 2 star anise, 4 pods of cardamom, 1 inch of ginger, 2 cloves, and 1 apple. Honey, I will add some honey while I boil it, and also to taste later. So I have a pot here with 8 cups of water. Let me just I want to show you how to go ahead and how you peel the ginger. So you take a spoon and you just scrape the outer skin right off. See that, how easy it is? And it really only removes the top layer. Cut. You do the same for the turmeric. Just peel it right off. Now, if you're going to a party, not that we're going anywhere with these days, this will stain your hands. So if you need, if that's a problem, make sure you wear gloves. I do enough dishwashing and bleach that no stain is a match for me. Let's place everything in: turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, anise, cloves, cardamom. There it goes. And I'm going to get the apple peeled. Quarter the apple goes in. Now I'm going to place it on high heat, bring it to a boil, lower it, put a lid on it, and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes until the apple is cooked through. I'm also going to add a couple tablespoons of the honey right in. It's boiling beautifully, but it's still not ready. But look at that golden, vivid yellow color. Tea's ready. I've removed some to cool down and have iced. And let's go ahead and serve this. So much for herbal tea. You must be thinking, is this lady crazy? But this is what happens when you watch an episode of Downton Abbey. So you decide to make a tea party feast. So we're gonna sit down. I made some delicious orange cookies, biscotti all'arancia. The video is up already. And now I'm going to go ahead and serve the tea. What I also want to mention, now it's a perfect time to add extra honey, some lemon if you like it hot. Also, you could have it cold. Make this, keep it in the fridge in a pitcher, and throughout the day drink it. It's really amazing antioxidant with all the things I put in it. Well, even the apples, I removed them from the tea, sprinkled some cinnamon, and I'm going to enjoy them with the tea. Well, thank you. Be safe, and let's keep cooking. To everybody, thank you. Subscribe, hit the bell button. Grazie, alla prossima. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.